Hey, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance oil life. So say you just got an oil change or you got a reminder that you want to take care of. First, you'll make sure the vehicle's on, and then from here we'll use this button to get to settings, press and hold, and then here you can scroll. So we'll go to maintenance, press, service, press, and then here you can reset it. Obviously this is just set so it won't have any updates, but a lot of people put them to remind them to get oil changes every several thousand miles or 3,000 miles depending on the type of oil. You want to change that, you can change it here if you want. But that's it. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.